Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is Pittsburgh Paranormal Unboxing. I have MACK Maloney's Haunted Universe. He's got monsters in every state, weird UFO sightings, 15 facts about Roswell you didn't know, all kinds of stuff in here. So, UFO conspiracies, NASA conspiracies, you name it. And weird monsters, including the poop monster. Okay, with that in mind, this came from Amazon. The previous book I just did came from eBay. 1,526,766 views and 20,057 subscribers. Thank you, subscribers. Got a book for Kathy here. I just did the video on that. I'll post that later. And I love the address on one of these, by the way. This is the MACK Maloney came from Half Price Books on Sir Barton Way in Lexington, Kentucky. The other one comes from Oregon. So Kathy will be very happy to get her book today. She's coming over. All right, 1,526,766, 20,057 subscribers. Thank you, 20,057 subscribers. I hope this one records. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month. Have a great day. Stay cool, stay hydrated, stay safe, and watch out for the poop monster. This is George Senda, the guy in Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.